Next week, I am turning 40 years old. And to celebrate, I'm headed to Oaxaca, Mexico with my family and a big group of friends. My birthday is on Dia de los Muertos, and as someone of Mexican descent, it has always been my dream to go to Mexico and celebrate. It's going to be an amazing cultural adventure, and I can't wait to capture my experiences through art. So let me tell you what I'll be carrying in my purse during my trip to Mexico. This is the purse I plan on taking. It's not a big bag. I want to make sure that I'm packing light when I'm on the go. First of all, I'm taking my Oaxaca sketchbook that I began during our 2023 art retreat to Oaxaca. It's already filled with so many pages of my memories from that trip, and I'm excited to keep adding to it. For my analog art supplies, I'm bringing Caran d'Ache Neo colors. These are water-soluble wax pastels, and I absolutely love them. I can draw on them with my sketchbook and then add a little bit of water to activate them, and it's kind of like doing watercolor. I love how small and compact these tins are, and I'll be carrying 20 pastels. This is a zebra ink pen with a brush tip, and it's permanent, so it's not going to be messed up if I add water to it. And then I have a water brush that I use to activate my Neo colors. It's really convenient to use. I just fill it up and then grab a napkin and kind of dab it away when I want to switch colors. For my digital art, I'm going to be taking the new 2024 iPad mini. I don't always carry around an iPad with me when I'm traveling, but this one is so small and convenient. I feel really good about having it with me, and it works with the new Apple Pencil Pro, which I have been loving ever since I started using it. So I'm really excited to have Procreate with me when I'm out and about, anytime I want to draw something that I'm seeing or experiencing. Of course, it's Mexico. You gotta have some sunglasses. I just got these ones from Warby Parker. My favorite lipstick is always in my bag. And then we'll close it up. But there's one more really important thing that I always have with me when I travel, and that is, of course, my phone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro, and I use that to do all my photos and videos when I'm out and about, and I edit all my photos right on my phone in the Lightroom app. So that's my bag for Mexico. I'm so excited to see everything and capture it all with photos and artwork, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Until then, hasta luego and happy art making. If you'd like to shop my favorite analog art supplies and iPad accessories, you can find them in my Amazon storefront. I've put a link down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait to share more of my artistic journey with you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.